graph shows information about the number of houses sold by an estate agent in each of the 6 months last year. How many houses were sold by the estate agent in February? So we're going to go February and we're going to read off this graph here. Looks like it's midway between those two. Let's have a closer look. Yep, midway between those. So we're looking midway here between the 20, we're going up one. So I'm going to count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So 2022 is halfway between 22 and 24. 23. For this estate agent, write down the ratio of the number of houses sold in January to the number of houses sold in June. January is 10. June is 52, 54, 56. So the ratio that is 10 to 56.